Hello everyone, this is the second video. Recently I have posted the printf function analysis. Means last time I have given 6 questions. In that 6 questions I have discussed first question recently. Today I will discuss second question. Okay, already I have discussed about this question, that is this program will execute fine. This program will execute fine. There is no error in this program. If you look at this program also, there is no error in this program. But when you look at this program, the compiler will generate error. Our main concern in this video, we have to understand why we are getting error, why we are not getting error in these two programs, but why we are getting error in this program. But I won't discuss these two questions, these two programs, because once you came to know why we are getting error in this program, definitely you will understand very easily why here is no error. Okay, the important point to getting error in this program is all about the statement which has given in if condition. These are all if conditions. These are all our conditions. Based on these conditions, the compiler will take a decisions. Like that, whatever we have passed in the conditions, that is 5 equal to 5, because of that statement only we are getting error. Why we are getting the error, all those things we will discuss. Because of this statement, that is 5 equal to 5. Why this because of why 5 equal to, because why here compiler generating error, why compiler is generating error, because of this statement. So to understand that, first we should understand the concept of assignment operator. If you know the concept of assignment operator very well, definitely you can understand why we are getting error in this question, in this program. Okay, let us see, we will discuss the concept of assignment operator. The first point, assignment operator is a binary operator. Assignment operator requires two operand. That's why we are telling assignment operator is a binary operator. Example, that is a equal to 10, b equal to 10, means everywhere we are using two operand, here. This is also one operand. We will simply write a equal to b. Operand 1. This is operand 2. This is a assignment operator. It requires operand 1 and operand 2. Means what it is doing, simply then work of assignment operator. This is operand 1, this is operand 1 and this is operand 2. Assignment operator requires two operand 1 and operand 2. The work of assignment operator, simply it is copying the content of operand 2 into the operand 1. Simply it is copying the content of operand 2 into operand 1. Means we can say the operand 1 is modifying because of operand 2. Means we could say the content of operand 1 is we could say the content of operand 1 is modifying. So we can conclude assignment operator modifies the operand. Assignment operator modifies the operand. Means simply integer a comma b equal to 10. The initially a content is garbage. When we will write a is equal to b, means simply we can say now a become 10. Now a become 10, means it is copying the content of operand 2 into operand 1. Very important concept. Assignment operator modifies the left side operand. So because of that third point, there are certain terms and conditions for operand 1. Here operand 2, this operand 2, it may be a variable, it may be a constant. Operand 2, it may be a variable, it may be a constant, because there is no effect on operand 2 because of the assignment operator. There is no effect on operand 2 because of assignment operator, but there is an effect on operand 1 because of assignment operator. Because of that modification concept, we can say operand 1 must and should be a variable. Operand 1 must and should be a variable because assignment operator is a modifying operand 1, left side operand. If you will pass the constant, definitely compiler will generate error. Cause here I passed a variable, already I have allocated memory, that's why this 10 will copy to the integer, this 10 will easily copy to the a variable. But here there is no memory, there is more memory allocated for this value 5. Then where this value will copy? Because of that conflict, the compiler simply generate error. And I hope why these code are compiling, why these both code are working fine, you should try to understand. Okay, there is no need to discuss. Try to understand whatever I discussed here, same thing, same concept you need to remember. Okay, thank you.